Hello world, welcome back to my channel. I am Sahil and we are developing an e-commerce project using Laravel 10. And in previous video you have already seen how I started working on user authentication system, and in that I have worked on user registration and login page to make them dynamic. Now today in this video I'm going to start working on forgot password and reset password. Okay, so let's start. So before going to start, let me show you something that I missed in previous video. Okay, so let me close this terminal, and if I open this app directory and then this login page.php file, so here in this component class file I am sending a session flash message to blade view file in case of wrong password. Now if I open the blade view file of login page, let me show you. So this is the login blade view file, and here I'm not displaying the flash message. So let's first display the flash message in case of password wrong password. Okay, so here what I will do is, let me go to the browser, and here I will use an alert of preline.co. so let's open preline.co and click on documentation, scroll below, click on alerts, and I will use this simple one. So click on HTML and copy this danger HTML code and then go to the project, and here I will paste this. If I save this and go to the browser, then you can see the alert is now displaying, but let me give some margin bottom, so margin bottom 4. Now if I save this, then the position is better. Now let's make this dynamic. So for this let me cut this, and here I will use if, and here I will use session and the name of the key, so error, and paste. Now I will display the dynamic message, so remove this span tag, and here I will display session error. Okay, if I save this, now go to the browser, let's test. So if I write correct email ID but wrong password and click on sign in, then you can see invalid credential alert is showing. Okay, and in case of invalid email ID and correct password, then it first validate the email, so the selected email is invalid. So now it's working fine. Now let's move on to forgot password. Okay, so to start on forgot password, what I will do is I will go to the project. Let me close this file. First I will open this forgot password page.php file. So this is the component class file, and similarly I will open the blade view file. So this is the forgot password blade view file. So from this blade view file I will send this email to this class file. Okay, so here what I will do is I will find the form tag. So this is the form tags, and here I will use wire submit event, and then I will use prevent is equal to the name of the method. So I will keep save, and here you can see this is the input field of email ID. So here instead of name I will use wire model, and I will also remove this required because I will use Livewire 3 to validate this field. Okay, now let's go to forgot password page.php file. Here I will give a title first, so I will use title attribute class, and here I will write forgot password. Okay, now inside the class first I will declare a property, so I will write public email, and then I will define the save method. So here I will write public function save method, and inside this first I will validate the email field. So here I will use this validate, and there is only one field email, so I will write email, and then I will use some validation rule required, and email I will also check if this email exists on users table and email column, and I will also use max 255. Okay, now let's create a variable status is equal to password. Make sure to import this class like this, and then I will use send reset link method, and here I will pass email in array, and I will access the email property, and then I will use a condition if status is equal to password password, and here I will use a constant reset link sent, and then I will use session. I will send a session message to the blade file. So here I will use success key and the message. So here I will write password reset link has been sent to your email address. Okay, and I will make the email field empty. So let's assign empty string. Okay, now before going to test this, let me open the web.php file. So this is the route, and here what I will do is I will change something here. So this is the forgot route. So here I will give a name to this route. Okay, so here I will write name, and I will write password dot request. Okay, and let's save this. Now let's go to the forgot password page. So here first I will display the validation error message in case of email ID is not available in the database. So let me write any random email ID and click on reset password. Then you can see nothing is happening. So first we will display the error message here. So let me go to blade view file. So here you can see this is the icon. So I will remove this hidden class, and then I will cut this div, and here I will use error, and I will use email, and then I will paste the icon. Similarly, I will display the error message in this p tag. So here I will use error again, and here I will write email, paste. Instead of this message I will display the dynamic message. So here I will use message. Okay, now if I save this and go to the browser, and if I click on reset password, then you can see, okay, we have to remove this hidden class. Now if I click on reset password, then you can see the email field is required. Now if I write any email ID which is not present in the database, then in that case the selected email is invalid. Okay, so validation is working fine. Now to send an email from the app, we have to use let me show you. So if you open this .env, then you have to set these environment variables. Okay, so I will use mail trap to test the email. So I will open mailtrap.io. You can create an account in this mailtrap. Creating account is free for testing. Okay, so now if I already created an account in this mailtrap, and click on this email testing and create an inbox. If you are not created, I have already created a demo inbox. Now if I click on demo inbox, then here let's select this Laravel 9 plus and copy the credentials. Go to your app and replace this. Okay, and save. Now let's test. So if I write my email ID here and click on reset password, then let's wait. Okay, so here you can see route password reset not defined. Okay, so let me check. Password request, password reset. Okay, so we have to change this route also. So here what I will do is, here I will give a name, password dot reset, and also here I will use a token. Okay, token. That's it. If I save this, and now again let's test. So if I write my email ID and click on reset password, then success flash message not displaying here. Let me first check the email. So there is no email received. So let me display the flash message first. So if I go to forgot password, and here I will display the flash message. So let me open the login blade file, and I will copy the same thing and go to forgot password and just paste. Instead of error, I will display success, and instead of red, I will use green. Okay, now if I write the email ID and click on reset password again, then let's wait. Okay, so here you can see password reset link has been sent to your email address. Now if I come here, so here you can see reset password notification message email has been received. If I open this, then you can see this email. Now if I click on reset password, then it is redirected to this reset password page, okay, with this token and email. Okay, so now we will work on this reset password page. Okay, so let's close this pre-line, and let me close this login and close this forgot password page, and also this .env, and close this one and this one too. Now open this reset password page and the blade view file of reset password page. So this is the reset password page of password blade view file, and from here I will send a submit request. Okay, so let's find the form tag. So this is the form tag, and here I will use wire submit dot prevent is equal to the name of the method. So I will use save again, and then this is the password field, input password field. So I will remove this required first, and then instead of name attribute I will use wire model is equal to password. Similarly, you can see this is the password confirmation field. So here I will remove this required field, and instead of this name I will write wire model is equal to password underscore confirmation. Okay, now next what I will do is I will open this reset password page.php file, and here I will give a title first. So here I will use attribute class title, and here I will write reset password. Okay, and then inside this class first I will declare some properties. So here first I will define public token, and then I will declare email, and then I will declare password, and then public password confirmation. Okay, and I will get the email from the query parameter, because if you go to the reset password page, then here you can see the email is appended in query parameter. So you will get the email from the URL query parameter. So to get, we can use here URL. So here I will use URL attribute class. So you have to import this class. Okay, now next what I will do is I will use mount method. So here I will use public function mount, and here I will use token, and then I will use this token is equal to token. So we have to initialize the token, which is, let me show you. So if I open the web.php file, then here this is the token parameter in the URL. So if you open the browser, then here you can see this is the token. So you will get the token when the page first load using this mount method. Okay, and I'm initializing the token in this token property. Now next what I will do is I will define the save method. So I will write public function save, and here first I will validate all the fields. So I will use this validate, and I will validate the token first. So I will write token is equal to, and here I will use required, and I will validate the email. So email, and here I will write required and email. Okay, and the next password, which is also required and minimum 6 character, and I will use one confirmed. Okay, now next what I will do is I will create a status variable, and then I will use password. Make sure to import this class here. Okay, now here what I will do is I will use a reset method, and inside this reset method first I will create an array, and in this array I will use email, and I will use this email, and then I will use password, and I will access the password. Let me give comma here. Okay, password, and similarly password confirmation. So here I will write password confirmation. Let me remove this dollar, and then access the password confirmation, and last is token. Okay, so is token, this token, and then here what I will do is I will define a callback function. So here I will write function, then inside this I will use user model, and then I will create an instance of the user model, and then I will use string, and then password. Now inside this method I will create a variable password is equal to this password, and then I will create a variable I will use user, and then I will use force fill method, and here I will write password, and I will use hash, and then I will use make, and I will pass the password here. Make sure to import this hash class like this here. Okay, now next here I will use set remember token, and here I will use str class, and then I will use random method, and here I will use 60. Okay, and then next what I will do is I will use user save. So I will save the updated password, and then I will use an event here, event new password reset, and then pass the user. Okay, now next what I will do is I will return status. I will check status is equal to password, and then I will use password reset constant. So here I will use question mark, then I will use redirect method, and here I will redirect to login page. If password reset successfully, then we will redirect to login page, otherwise I will send a session flash message. So here I will use session flash, and then here I will write error, and something went wrong. Okay, and now let's test this. So make sure to import this str class also. So let's go above, and here I will use illuminate support str. That's it. Save. Now let's come here, and first I will display the validation error message. So let's go to the blade view file, and here let me remove this hidden class here, cut this div, and here I will use error password, paste this, and I will remove this hidden here, cut this p tag, use error password and paste. Let's remove this message, display dynamic message. So just write message. Similarly for here, so let's copy the same thing and paste here. Instead of password, I will use this password confirmation, and let's copy the same thing and paste here. Instead of password, let's remove and paste. Okay, now let's try to reset the password. Okay, so let me write 1 2 3 4 5 6, and if I write wrong confirmation password like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and if I click on save password, then you can see password the password field confirmation does not match. Okay, so let me remove one and click on save password. So you can see the password reset has been password reset successfully. Now if I try to log in with the older password, then we are getting invalid credentials. So let me write the new password 1 2 3 4 5 6 and click on sign in. Then we are now signed in, and now we can access protected route also. Okay, now let's display the class message. So let me show you. So if I go to reset password page, then here you can see instead of any issue like token is invalid or email is not present in the database, then in this case I will display a flash message, something went wrong. Okay, so for this open the reset password blade file, and here what I will do is I will display the alert. So to display the alert, let me open the forgot password blade view file, and let's copy this alert and go to reset password page, and here what I will do is I will paste this. Instead of success, I will use error here, and I will also change the color red. Okay, save this. Now go to your browser and let's log out first. Okay, so we are now log out, and if I go to the reset password mail again and click on reset password link, then you can see we are on a reset password page. Now if I try to write the correct password in both password and confirm password and click on save, then you can see something went wrong, because with this token we already tried to reset password, so this link is now expired. Okay, that's why we are getting something went wrong. So to reset password again, we have to go to forgot password again, and let me show you. So remove this one and go to login. So we have to request another reset password link. So write the email ID and click on reset password. Wait. So you can see password reset link has been sent to your email address. Now if I come here and reload, then we have another email. Now open the new email, and this is the new email, and if I click on reset password again, then if I try to reset the password and click on save password, then this time password reset successfully, and if I try to log in with the new password, then you can see we are now authenticated. Okay, so that's it for this video. In next video I will show you how to work on checkout page. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, then hit on like button, and please subscribe my channel.